Good morning, subscribers. Again, this is your friend from YouTube, PinoyEspenia. And of course, I have another video that I need to share with you. But first of all, I would just want to thank you all those people that subscribe. And of course, the people that support my channel. Thank you so much. First, I just want to share with you this tire pressure that we have problem almost every day. It's about 22 psi. And of course, it's a lot easier to remove the tire from the car. And this is what I found. But then again, I can always bring this to the tire shop. And as you know, tire shop is so busy on the weekend. They probably tell you to come back on the weekdays and charge you more as usual. So the first thing that we did is mix a water and dishwashing soap and use a sponge to apply. Before we continue our video, again, I just want to say thank you. And of course, don't forget to share and don't forget to like and of course subscribe. Now let's go back to our video. But of course, safety first. We have to make sure that we're using a goggles for our safety, and we can use a cutter or dikes or needle nose to remove the nail and slowly pull this out from the tire. As you see, it's not as big nails, but it's giving us so much problem. And I used to put air on this one almost every other day. And this is the way I do. First thing, let's clean the holes by drilling it. It's a lot easier for me to clean the hole this way. Then after that, I use a T-handle to clean some more of the hole. Or you can only use this as you wish. This set of T-handle that we use on this, you can order this at Amazon or I guess at the automotive local store. I will put a link for you guys so you can check it out. And I think Harbor Freight has this set also. They called it flat tire repair kit. And this is what it came with. It comes with that sticky string and two T-handle. And I'm going to share with you how to use this kit. Now that you already know how to use the first T-handle and the second handle, this is where you insert the repair kit or the sticky string that I call. And this is where you need the needle nose. It's a little hard to insert this sticky string on that end of the T-handle, but it will go in using a needle nose, of course, and a lot of patience. But then again, you're saving time and money. Once you insert the string, center the string on the toolkit. It will look like this, as you see on the video. Now that we're ready to insert this on the tire, and of course I wanted to show you this one. Our tire right now is low on pressure, and if the tire is low of pressure, this is what is going to happen. Every time you push the toolkit, the tire itself easily collapses, and it'll be harder to insert the repair kit if it is low of pressure. Earlier, I added a pressure on the tire, and of course I left that other T-handle to plug the hole while I'm adding a pressure. And you will see the difference with having a better pressure, maybe around 80% of the pressure of the tire. Now we can remove the T-handle and insert the T-handle or the other T-handle as soon as possible before the air pressure goes down. And of course, don't forget to use our safety goggles. As you see, while pushing down the inserter or the T-handle repair kit, the tire doesn't collapse as much. I admitted that it's a little bit hard to insert this, and again, patience is the key. Once the material is inserted, hold this down with the arrow, then pull the T-handle towards you, and we'll put the camera closer so you can see it better. As you see it here, the material stays on the hole and plugs the leak. And this is where you decide if you want to cut it off or leave it the way it is. When you decide to cut it off, make sure that you leave at least a 1/4 inch. And of course, let's not forget to do a test leak again. We'll use the same method to do the test leak. As you see here, the bubbling stops, and that's what the indicator that the leak stops. Now that we know that it's not leaking anymore, we can put this back on the car and let's tap it with air. This is another thing that I want to share with you, that to find out where the right pressure for your tire is located on your driver's side door, and you'll see a big sticker that look like this. In most car, the pressure of the tire for your rear and the front will be the same, but not all cars. As you see on our sticker, the front will be 33 psi, and the same with the rear is 33 psi also. I will slowly add air on these tires until we get to the certain amount of pressure. I will add air a little bit, then I will test it with my pressure tire gauge, then I add air again. Of course, I don't really max this if I would. On summer, on this particular pressure, I only tap all the tires about 30, and winter time I always tap it to max or before max, like 32 psi. And this is where our video ends. But then again, I just want to say thank you, and hope to see you in the other video. And of course, thank you for watching. And again, thank you for supporting my channel. This is PinoyEspenia. Thank you so much.